Good morning, everybody. Today I've got to do some chores outside for the cattle. We're gonna be running to Tractor Supply really quick to go get some more feed. I'm out of feed, so we're gonna run and do that. And I've also got to fill their water down there. It's getting kind of low. So we're gonna do that as well. As you guys can see, we just had a major, no, I wouldn't say major, but a really good snowfall over here. I'm not sure how much we got, but quite a bit. So it's freezing, so I want to get this done. It's also supposed to snow more tomorrow, so definitely don't want to be out here during another blizzard, freezing my butt off. So let's go ahead and get everything done today so I don't have to worry about too much tomorrow. Alright guys, so we got the feed secured, as you can see back there. So let's go ahead and get home, get this unloaded, and start getting some of those chores knocked out. So we made it home. I had to bring my hose in yesterday so it could start getting falled out. I've been kind of trying to empty it as well, all the water out of it. So I'm gonna start with the water. I'm gonna move fast just in case there's still water in this, because it will definitely undoubtedly freeze if I don't move fast. So we're gonna start with this, and then we'll get back to the feed after we get this going, guys. Alright guys, I just turned on the water. Let's go ahead and run down here and make sure it's running. As this is oh wow. Little ones are out and running. The big ones are out. Trying not to fall down this little hill right here, which I've already done probably about 10 times already. But yeah guys, everyone's outside right now, enjoying the nice cold weather, which is awesome. Wouldn't be me if I was a cow. I'd be up in the barn, I'm not gonna lie. That's sweet, everyone's outside chilling. I'm definitely gonna lay some new bedding in here as well. So I'll definitely get to that. Alright. So, got a little bit of a problem. The hose flew out, but I do have water. Awesome. Awesome. So, as you guys can see, we're filling up. I'll hit a little time lapse of the fill up for you guys. Because we're well under halfway, if you guys can see, water wise, and we'll get right back to this. so we got their water all done. Now we just gotta take our free bags of food down and get them fed. It's getting chilly out here, so I'm gonna try and book it. Hopefully I don't biff it down the hill with one of these bags, but we'll find out, guys. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's try and wrap it up. Like I said, it is getting really chilly, so you gotta do what you gotta do, guys. You always gotta remember that. I definitely always want to make sure the cows have food, have water, have clean water. I've only ran into one time where I walked out one weekend, I think on a Saturday, and there was poop in the water, so I had to empty the whole thing. Don't want that, guys. Luckily it's only happened once, so it wasn't too big of a deal. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get going and get his feed down there. Alright, guys, so right now I am giving 2 bags of cracked corn and a bag of feed. So let's go ahead and get all this tore open and dump down into here. They pretty much know what time it is, guys. They're very excited, probably very hungry too. I kind of let them eat out what was the rest in there yesterday, so these guys are trying to eat the bag. Alright, guys, look out. Look out. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Look out. Look out, Chuck. Look out, Chuck. Look out. Look out. I'm getting there. Alright. Feeding that. Out. Then we got one more bag of corn. I know, Jamal, I'm getting there, honey. Right on top. Alright to spill some, guys. It happens. So what I'm gonna do now is I like to just mix it up pretty good so they don't all just eat the one thing right off rip. So I just get down in here and give it a good mix up, guys. It's a lot easier when Chuck and Cheese aren't in the way, but You'll have that. Isn't that right, buddy? I know you guys are hungry. Alright guys, pretty much just like that. I'm not gonna do anything fancy. But that should be pretty good. Got it mixed up. I'll let these guys go ahead and eat up. I know they're all hungry. I'm just gonna grab this little tag off this. Alright, eat up girls. Eat up boys. Come on girl, come eat. Come on girl. As you guys can see, they are chowing down. This girl in the back, she's real skittish. She doesn't like to eat when I'm standing right here. The rest of them are real good though. Chuck and Cheese are doing really good. Jamala's doing really good. She doesn't really have a name, but she's doing really good. Her leg is healing up really good now. She's finally walking good on it. It's just full of pus and whatnot, but the swelling's gone down amazing. And yeah guys, I'm gonna let these guys eat. That pretty much wraps up the chores for me. I might spread just a little bit of bedding down in here. I already did a little bit off camera in the main sleeping area, kind of up over here in this corner. This is kind of where the small ones like to sleep, at least. I don't know where the big ones do. But yeah guys, it's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go inside and make a little lunch and warm up a little bit because it is cold. And yeah guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, now she's in. She's got over a little fear. But yeah guys, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.